In this training video, let me show you step by step how to write a quick, high converting email and press the send button to blast it out to hundreds of people for free. As you can see on the screen here, it says create your free account, write a short email, get clicks fast. That's right, a complete untapped traffic source where you can get clicks and visitors to your product, system, affiliate offers for free within minutes by just writing a quick email and pressing the send button. And the people that are going to get your email are business seekers. They are looking for ways to make money online. Okay, now the traffic source that I am talking about down here is a complete untapped traffic source, and the traffic source is this one here. Now if you haven't joined this and created your free account, then you can go to this link that's popping up on the screen, open up a new browser, pause the video, open up a new browser, go to this website address that you're seeing on the screen and create your free account. You're going to come to a website just like this. You're going to scroll down, okay, and then you're going to click on this here where it says yes, create my free account. Once you create your free account, on the way they're going to give you a lot of options to upgrade. You don't have to upgrade, you could just skip everything and create your free account. If you do want to upgrade, that's up to you, it's optional, but you can just use it for free. It's a complete untapped traffic source used by some of the top internet marketers, and they are actually not sharing this traffic source, they only share it within the members area, within the courses and mentorship programs. I came across this traffic source, I decided to give it a test drive, and I love the results that I have seen. So I believe that I should share this with my viewers, so I'm sharing it with you lot. Go ahead, create your free account by going to the link and then create and start using it. So let me show you how this traffic source works. Now the good part about this traffic source is that once you start, you can drive traffic to any affiliate offer. You can do direct linking. So in case if you don't have a landing page or a squeeze page, you're not willing to build a list and you just want to send direct traffic to a ClickBank offer, that's also okay. You can send direct traffic to a ClickBank offer. You can use any other affiliate networks as well. If you have your own product, your own system, you can also drive traffic to your own product, to your own system. If you don't have a product, stay tuned, because right at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a product that you can sell for yourself and earn 100% profit. It's in your control. It's your product, your system, your course, your payment button. You can take direct payments into PayPal and start to sell this product and earn 100% profit. So stay tuned for that. So let me show you quickly how to send a quick email to these people and start getting instant traffic. So I'm going to click on send email here. I have already logged in to my account, so I'm going to click on send email. And then I'm going to scroll down, okay, and I'm going to write a quick email. So I'm going to click on create email. And then down here, you just want to put the credits, how much credits you want to use. I'm just going to put 500 for this purpose, and it's going to reflect on the side, okay? I have 1,707 credits available. So I'm going to come down, and then it gives me an option down here. I'm just going to put my landing page URL, okay? So for this purpose, I am going to take my landing page. So here's my landing page. Let me just take that. I'm going to come back here, going to copy and paste it inside. There you go. Okay, and then you just want to click on the open the full frame preview to make sure that it's loading up properly, making sure that you're not losing the traffic. Okay, and then down here I'm just going to quickly put in the actual subject line. So for that, I'm just going to go to one of my autoresponders. For that, first of all, let me just copy this one. Let me go to the description, paste it in here, okay, go soon. Alright, let me just get the subject line. So for that, I'm just going to go back, okay, going to click on this, alright, copy, paste it into this subject line here, and then I'm just going to put the first name so it like becomes very targeted. Okay, there you go. That's how simple this is. All right, no gimmick, no fluff, straight to the point. Okay, like I said in my previous video, when you come across any brand new system, brand new products, just make sure you click on all the links, get familiar with everything in the dashboard so everything becomes easy for you. Okay, and you can see all these ads down here as well popping up. These are paid members. Okay, so if you become a paid member, you can have one of your ads just popping up on here, and thousands of members, when they log into their account, they see this. If they like what they see, they can click on it and they can start to you can start receiving traffic that way as well. This is just by becoming a paid member. All right, so if you go to the left hand side, you can see this is called the Spotlight ads. Okay, so if you have a Spotlight ad, you can create your Spotlight ad as well. So you can see here, but for that you need to be an upgraded member. Okay, gold member to have these kind of Spotlight ads. All right, so let's just go back. I hope my email is still there. It's not gone. Okay, there it is. Okay, now what I need to do is I just need to press the send button, and this email will go out to minimum 500 people, and there you go. I'm going to start receiving instant traffic. Now in this case, as you saw, that I am sending traffic to the landing page down here. Now you can send traffic to Warrior Plus offers if you want. You can send traffic to any product yourself. But if you want to have your own product that you want to sell, set up, which will only take 30 minutes, you get the done for your sales page, landing page, squeeze page, email swipes. You can have your own PayPal button, Stripe button, get payment directly into your bank account. Then I have something very special for you. What you can do is you could go to this product. It's a product that teaches you how to get unlimited traffic using Instagram, and it's a complete course that will help you build your business using Instagram. But this is just not a course. This is a complete business in a box, where we give you the entire sales page that you're seeing on the screen. We give you the thank you page, we give you the members area, we give you the everything, so you can start selling this product as your own and start taking direct payments into your PayPal account, into your bank account, into your Stripe account. Okay, now you can get this while this is on a special price, special discount before the price goes up. Okay, you're going to get 6 exclusive bonuses with this product as well, which is very, very powerful. And not just that, with this product, you're not just getting the product, you're actually getting something which you can build. So in the backend members area, you can also add multiple streams of income. So if you're promoting any ClickBank product or any other products or system, you could add that as your anchor text link and add those products. So every time someone purchases this product, goes through the thank you page and the members area following the course, they can click on those links and you can make more commissions, upgraded commissions and upsells commissions. If you want to get access to this product while it's in a special price, special discount before the price goes up, head over to this website address. You're seeing the link on the screen. Pause the video, open up a new browser, go to this website address and purchase this product before the time runs out, before the price goes up, or before the product has been pulled down. Okay, so you have a chance to get this product and have it as your own product to promote, to sell, and earn 100% profit. And you will able to sell this product using this untapped traffic source as well. So start driving traffic. People see the product, people love what they see, and most likely, potentially, you can make sales and commissions. Okay, so that's all for now. Stay tuned, because I will have some very, very good videos and tutorials coming your way, showing you some more powerful ways to make money online and start generating traffic. So stay tuned for that.